Okay, so welcome back to the channel. So let's try solving this bikes last use problem in uh, Pandas. It is a easy category problem and it was asked in DoorDash and LYFT companies. So let's have a look at the input. So we have this single table. So we don't have multiple tables over here. And let's have a look at the expected output, what we need. So basically we need these two columns where we have the bike number and the last use. Okay, so these two columns are here, and let's have a look at the data. Okay, so we have the data related to the bike, like the duration, the start time, start station, end time, end station, and then bike number. All these things are there. So let's have a look at the problem statement. Find the last time each bike was in use. Okay, so we have seen here the each keyword, right? So as I have told the same thing in the previous videos also. So wherever we have the each keyword, this is the potential candidate for the group by problem, right? So we will see that output both the bike number and the date timestamp of the bike's last use. Okay, so we need to find these two columns, bike number and the last use. So when the bike was last time used, and we need to generate this output for each and every bike. So yes, here the each keyword is involved. That means we can use the group by clause, right? And let's read out the rest part of the problem. Order the results by bikes that were most recently used. Okay, so we need to sort the data based on the last time column, last used column in the descending order, right? Why descending? Because if we sort the data in descending, we will get the latest record for each and every bike, right? So let's start. So if we see here, we have a lot of columns, right? But by looking at the problem statement, we can see we just need two columns, right? Which two columns? One is the bike number. Why? Because we need to find the last time use for each and every bike. So we can group by the data on the bike number column. And for finding when it was last time used, we can use this column end time, right? So we need only these two columns. So we'll start by filtering the um, we can start by selecting these two column only so that it would be easy for us to understand. So let's we can just write like this. We just need these two columns, so we can write the bike number and the end time column, right? Okay, and let's print the data frame. Okay, so we have these two columns. As I mentioned, for solving this problem, like we need to find the last time used for each and every byte. So we just need to group by the column and get the maximum value for each and every bike, right? So we can use the group by on column bike number, and then this has grouped the data, right? And then we need to find the maximum of this column. So this column dot max, right? Let's print this data. Okay. So we have the maximum value for each and every bike, but we do not have the bike number over here. So we can use the reset index, and reset index. Okay, there is typo. Okay, so for each bike we have the end time, right? But if you see the expected output, we need this, the column name should be the last use, right? So we can just write over here, name is equal to this. Okay, so we have, I think, the expected output. And if we see the expected output and our output, this is not matching, right? Why? Because we need to sort the data on the last use column, right? So if we see here, the first record is the bike number is W01278, but here it is something else. So the next step, what we can do, we can sort the data, right? Dot sort values, and we need to sort the data based on the last use column, and we need to pass this parameter ascending. So do we want to sort in ascending? No, we want to sort in descending. So we need to pass false. Okay, so now let's compare this. So I think we have got the required output, right? You see, let's try submitting this one now. Okay, so this got accepted. You can see the green color over here. So yeah, we have solved this one. So it was quite easy, but yeah, it is interesting also because this has been asked in multiple companies. So if you like the content, please do like, subscribe, and share. And I forgot to tell this thing. So basically, for the same problem, I have solved in the SQL and the PySpark also. So you can find the video link in the description section. So let's meet in the next problem. Until then, bye bye.